the CISCO Xfinity RNG150N high def box. Now, this box is a kind of a pain in the ass. When you first connect it, it's going to, if it's brand new, it's going to flash the lights on the front panel in a certain sequence. Then it's going to go blank. And it's going to go blank for anywhere from 45 minutes up to an hour and 45 minutes. Now, that's the first setup sequence. After that, it's not so bad. However, if the power does go out on this box, you will wait up to a half an hour for the power to come back on. It has to reboot, reload everything in order for you to access the box. The light will come on by itself. If you press the button during this process, this box will start over, and you will think that the box is broken. It's not broken. It's just a pain in the ass. And I spent about a week and a half with Xfinity, and I'm not going to go through all the details on this box, but I can tell you that much. The first connection can take you about 2 hours, and even though the light is off, it is always on, and it is updating. The first software download will take up to an hour and 45 minutes, maybe 2 hours. After that, if the power in the house goes out, or you unplug this box, it will take at least a half an hour for the light to come back on for you to access the box. If you press that button and hold it and make a hard reset, you will be sitting there for another 2 hours. So I just want to let you know, this is on the CISCO RNG150N, and it's not a bad box. Just a pain in the ass. What comes in the box when it's brand new? Well, the remote, the batteries, the cable box, the HDMI cable, a couple coax, and that's it. No IR blaster, a couple of generic pamphlets. You do not even get a channel guide. So that's it. That's all I got to say about that box. I got 3 of them, and I got about 2 weeks of headaches. And no matter what you do, there's no way you can modify it, fix it, tweak it. There's nothing you can do with it. That's just the way this box is. Hope this helps a lot of people out, because I just want to give an update, because all the headaches that I've had, I'm sure there's a lot out there that are going to have them, and who had them, and this needs some clarification. And that's it. Hope this helps you out. Have a great day.